Please take a packet and read along with me. Our story today is called An Owl is a Bird. You can see a picture of an owl right there at the top of the page. An owl is a kind of bird. It hunts for other animals to eat. It likes to hunt at night. Some parts of an owl's body help it hunt. An owl has big eyes. It can see well in the dark. An owl's wings have soft feathers. They let an owl fly quietly. An owl can turn its head almost all the way around. That helps it find animals. An owl has sharp claws. They help the owl catch small animals. An owl has a strong beak. The beak helps it carry its food. Now I'm going to show you the questions that go with this story today. After today, you'll be able to take a look at the questions on your own, but I want you to be sure of how to do it. The next page you come to has questions 1 through 4. These questions go along with the story, and you just need to circle A, B, or C, whichever one you feel is the correct answer. Take a look at number 1. It says, what kind of animal is an owl? Your choices are A, a reptile, B, a bird, or C, a mammal. Circle your choice for the best answer. If you need to go back and look at the first page at the story to find your answer, that is fine. Take a look at number 2. The passage describes how an owl hunts for food. When do owls hunt for food? Do they hunt A, during the day, B, at night and during the day, or C, at night? Circle your answer that you feel best fits the question. Number 3, an owl has body parts that can help it hunt in the dark. Which information shows this is true? A, an owl has big eyes that help it see well in the dark. B, an owl is a kind of bird. Or C, an owl hunts for other animals to eat. Circle your answer. Number 4 is the last one on this page. What is an owl is a bird mainly about? What's the whole story about? Is it about A, what owls eat, B, how an owl hunts, or C, what owls do when they are awake? Pick the choice that you think best describes what the story is about. At any time during this, you can go back and look at the story for help with your answers. The next page, you're going to have to write. And you see that you also have a space to draw a picture. Question 5 has 2 parts. Part A says, what body parts help owls catch and carry the small animals that they eat for food? You want to write down your answer and explain what body part helps the owl catch and carry the small animals that they eat for food. You want to write a whole sentence, so remember your capital letter at the beginning and put a period at the end. When you're all done writing your sentence, you can go ahead and draw a picture of an owl catching its food for carrying it away. That way, your picture will match your sentence. On the last page, you have another sentence to write and a picture to go with it. 6 says, what did you learn from an owl is a bird? So whatever you learned, whatever you thought was interesting or funny or silly, you can write on these lines. Remember, you want to write a full sentence. It needs a capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end. You also want to make sure it makes sense, and you can draw a picture to match. Don't worry about question 7. That's something we'll talk about later. If at any time you need to go back and look at the story, that's fine. If you need to watch this video again, that's fine too.